Good morning. How are you all doing today? My friend Sukhminder is right here, and today we're going to talk about the impact of insurance in the Canada. Sukhminder Paji been in Canada for last almost 30 years. He's living on here. He have seen the life ups and down, business ups and down, and how to take control of the finance. And he has been working in a banking industry for 7 years, and he is quite knowledgeable in this field. So today I would like to ask a few questions to Sukhminder Paji. Why life insurance? Paji.
So thank you guys thank you Ramesh for having me here. So life insurance is a very valuable product that every person should have. This is to avoid any setbacks that your family may have to face. Life insurance is not the only thing. There is other insurance like car insurance, house fire insurance that we are always obligated to take because it's mandatory, required by law. But personal life insurance, a lot of people take it for granted and they think it's not worth it, it's not important for me. But I can assure you that that can have a very devastating effect on the family if the main breadwinner of the family passes away. I have seen personally in my life experience that people have suffered and they continue to endure that pain, financial burden, because there is always two types of burden that comes with it. One is financial burden, because when this person passes away, the income is gone. So there is no income coming home. So there is a financial burden, and then there is emotional. Emotional that you can overcome over time, it heals. But the financial burden remains. So in Canada, the law states that husband and wife, they are equal partners in all debt and assets. So if the husband has a lot of debt, if he passes away without life insurance, the other spouse is obligated to pay for that. So the creditors will continue to call and bother. So this is why it's best to have life insurance, have protection in place, to have a peace of mind, knowing that if something happens, your family is fully protected.
Awesome. Paji, thank you for the information. This is really great information. I hope our audience like it and they got to know few. When I was talking around in the market, and some people they say, bad life insurance. Is there a bad life insurance?
There is no bad life insurance. Life insurance is a great insurance. It's just that some people or some advisors did not explain it well, or the client did not understand it. So this is why it's important that you ask the questions. And the thing is, life insurance, there is complex. There is so many different types of like term, universal whole life. So there is quite a few. They have different different investments, and there's different criteria. So it all depends on the personal need. So I say there is no such bad insurance. Having insurance is I say is very important if you love your family and because you want to take care of your family in case something were ever to happen to you. So there's no such thing bad, but as people have bad experiences due to there's a number of reasons. So there sometimes people don't disclose the proper if there's any health issue in their application. Due to that, sometimes the claims get denied, and this is why it's very important that you stay truthful and fill the application has you see, and has to be a truthful, and so that way if something like this happens, there'll be no issue with the claim process.
And the last question for today. Life insurance for who and when is the best time to buy it?
Oh, this is a great question. Life insurance is important. If you buy early, that's the best time. Why? Because you always heard at all the times that life insurance, if you get it early, the cost is much cheaper. You give yourself a chance to grow the money as well inside that life insurance. There's like I said, there's a variety of options and complex insurances that you can look at it. But if you start early, it's the best, and it also helps to protect the assets that, or later on in life, if you need the funds for your retirement, to supplement your retirement, you can use that. There's also for kids, I recommend for kids. Why? Because you don't know what kind of a career they're going to pursue. They could get into acrobatics, skydiving, and all these hobbies which are excluded in the life insurance. So, but if you get that coverage for them in place earlier, that would be very beneficial, because because there is a 2-year contestability period, which is not going to make anything worse, because you already got this coverage for the kid when he was very small, and when he grew up and he get into those kind of hobbies or interest activities, then you don't have to worry about it, because the coverage was in place for a long time.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you very much for your great knowledge, Paji. Any last message for our audience today?
So my one message is, we hear a lot of newses on GoFundMe pages. A lot of people GoFundMe insurance, I call it. I would encourage everyone to be serious and take this very seriously. That life insurance is very important, and it's going to protect your family if something to happen, and it's like a promise that if you want to leave $1 million or $500,000 that you want to have it for your family in your bank account, if you don't have it, you can have this kind of life insurance where you're working with your income to grow that money, like to save up of $500,000 or $1 million. But if you don't have it in your bank account, but with this life insurance, it's like a promise that you're working toward that goal. But if something happens and you cannot achieve that goal, God forbid, life has no guarantees, and no one's seen tomorrow what's going to bring. So this is why it's important to have life insurance, so you have a peace of mind, your family have a peace of mind. So that's all I wanted to say. Life insurance is very critical, integral part, and we should do it. So that's all I wanted to say. Please protect yourself, protect your family.
Paji, I know when it comes to life insurance, it's all the personal need, and everybody has a different need, right?
Yes.
And since you've been an expert in the life insurance industry, if people wants to find you and set a meeting with you, where they can find you, can you drop your number and name, please?
Yes. So you guys can give us a call. My number is 306-380-9750. And this is my colleague, Ramesh Karol. He's going to share his numbers.
I also work with Sukhvinder Paji. I also have a few knowledge that I can help you out. My phone number is 639-471-3558. And the good thing is, no obligation, and we only provide education. The choice is always yours. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And would you like to know more, you can also drop the comments below, and we'll make a video out of that next time. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.